Well, that ain't gonna work. Anyway, hi. Today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Vivitar's blue portable speaker with a 3.5mm audio jack. Bought it at Target, $5. Now this one does take 3 AAA batteries, so not 1, not 2, but 3. 3 AAA batteries is what this one's going to take. I've seen other ones that usually take, just a plug and play, Bluetooth type of deal, but no. It says high quality sound, carrying strap, that's about it. It says features, high quality sound, uses 3 AA batteries not included. Attached loop for carabiner not included. So why mention that if you're not even going to get a carabiner? Contains portable auxiliary speaker, the auxiliary cable, and user guide. So yeah, and now as you can see where the batteries go. So let's go ahead, get this open up, and we start to tail at it. Wow, I didn't even need to cut it. I could just pull it out. I mean, here's where I start cutting into it, as you can see. And then, so the patent is not really sealed that great, or maybe it's sealed great enough that you really don't need a little knife to get it out. So, here's how it is. It says Vivitar right there, which surprisingly, I can see it a lot clearer and better on camera, looking behind the camera, than in person. So, here's our little carrying strap, which yes, they did say, oh no, it says attached loop for carabiner. No, it does say carrying strap. I was right, it was carrying strap. Simple on and off switch. There's where we're going to put a little cable to listen to our music. Here's this. The, like quick start information thing. And wow, it is real teeny tiny and small. So, tells you what you get. Indicator light. How to put the batteries in. What else? Okay, so I read it. It was basic and simple. Just pretty much open a battery door, put in the batteries, close the battery door. Doesn't feel like locked, and it definitely doesn't feel like locked in there. Because I mean, this door is coming off real easily, so I don't know about that. Oh, I guess then you just push it forward. Okay. A little sound cable here, if I could find where they put the twist tie. There we go. I guess it's okay length for cable. So we don't need any Bluetooth on. light just goes on when you turn it on, turn it off. So let's put it into the phone here. It's my own video, so I shouldn't get any YouTube copyright strike for putting my own video, but everyone knows how YouTube is. YouTube's all wacky crazy. So turn it on. With remote control. So there's the output, there's your input, selector, remote control. Now it does say 4K. Switch between 3 HDMI ports. It's up all the way, volumes at max level on the phone. 4K video resolution. So the phone volume's at max level. So this one, it's a basic and simple type of design of a speaker. Kind of big and bulky. And I don't really like how the battery door doesn't really close that much. And so you do have to kind of take the little tab and push it forward this way to get it to close. It does run off of 3 AA batteries. Not much of a carrying handle. They say you could attach a carabiner, but they don't give you a carabiner. Old school was just, a sound cable. It's not even Bluetooth. I mean, the other one that they made, what was this one called? I can't remember what this one was. I know it was something. I'm just going to call it the Tower. I can't remember the exact name. I'm just going to call it the Tower. But yeah, same company from Vivitar. And this one's Bluetooth. You can attach the cable in there to, listen to your music if you don't have a Bluetooth device. Rubber lights on the bottom here. Forward, play, pause, menu button. So just a little comparison there. But you know what? I say for $5, it's not really that bad of a speaker. Sure, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles and features on there, or any confirmed sounds that, hey, your speaker's on. It's running off of batteries. Turn it off, us. You're gonna have to buy new batteries. I would love if it had something like that, but for $5 for a speaker, yeah, it ain't that bad. You can go to Vivitar.com. Link down below in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks. Bye.